That might be the funniest guy.
She wants 15? Yeah, if you can get them on.
I'm picking up sandbags for my daughter. This will be the third flood in 2 weeks.
Oh my God, 2 more feet over.
Was it up to their windows?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
The house on the end was up to
It had to be what,
Look at
6
the yellow
feet?
house. See the siding on the side? It was up to that side.
And then the
Where it
first
ripped
floor.
up. See the siding ripped up? It was up to that.
And we're just hoping that the sandbags will help with the windows. We're gonna barricade the back windows of the house.
Keep it from coming in the windows.
Right. I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this river. It's getting worse and worse every time. I've been here for 34 years, and this is far behind. You know, even when Belmont Park was there, we never got water like this.
So when did you install this furnace?
I put this in Monday of let me think. Monday of last week.
And you're taking it out why?
Taken up because of the flood waters. Supposed to be another foot. The last one was buried.
All right, ready one. All right, guys, one more. Ready one? Yes, here we go. Yep. Okay. Beautiful.
I've been here for 6 years, but my family built the house 90 years ago, so I'm 4th generation to own this home.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I kind of knew about the problems, but they weren't this bad years ago. Significantly worse than it ever was. There used to be a little bit of water in the basement, not you have to evacuate everything you own. Last week I had about 5.5 feet of water in the basement, so I'm expecting that it might touch the first floor today. So preemptively I have movers moving all of my big furniture out, and then I'll move everything small upstairs. I have the plumber here to take my 4-day-old furnace out, take it off site, so then they can bring it back once everything gets all set.
So you bought the new furnace after the last flood?
Yes, after the March 15th flood, I had a new furnace installed. Just got turned on Thursday. So, cried a little bit at noon, I'll cry an awful lot tonight. See what happens.
But everybody has like 4 to 6 windows, so it takes like 8 to 10 bags a window. I mean, she's handicapped, he's handicapped, we're trying to do that, he's handicapped, we just did his.